Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Anyashola Ogundele. AI-driven space traffic management initiatives and breakthroughs, collision avoidance automation, debris monitoring, and orbital pathway optimization. AI-driven space traffic management is rapidly evolving to address unprecedented orbital congestion, moving beyond basic tracking to autonomous collision avoidance and real-time orbital intelligence. This transition relies on a combination of international defense, civil space agency programs, and commercial platforms to keep low Earth orbit operational and safe. The rapid expansion of commercial satellite constellations has made AI-driven space traffic management essential for preventing orbital collisions and managing space debris. Major international agencies and private companies are actively spearheading the automated solutions. European Space Agency, NASA, US Space Force, United Nations, and Commercial Consortiums and Hubs are creating state-of-the-art initiatives of AI-driven space traffic management. Institutional initiatives are boosted by private-public partnerships and specialized platforms such as the International Space Dock platform. The focus points are as follows. Major industry and international programs driving space traffic management and commercial and private sector breakthroughs of space traffic management. Major industry and international programs driving space traffic management. Space traffic management is driven by major commercial satellite operators, international space agencies, and global defense frameworks managing over 18,000 active satellites in Earth orbit. With the orbital environment growing increasingly congested, these initiatives focus on collision avoidance, debris tracking, and orbital sustainability. AI-driven space traffic management is fundamentally shifting from reactive human-in-the-loop coordination to proactive massive speed orchestration. Artist illustration of EMSAL Astronautic proposed Neuropolis space junk cleanup system is shown in this picture. Major industry and international program driving space traffic management are as follows. United States, Department of Commerce. The Office of Space Commerce operates the traffic coordination system for space and unclassified civil space traffic safety service. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning in order to deconflict and navigate complex space traffic, capable of providing bulk conjunction analysis and screening results within minutes. JAXA passive orbital debris removal demo is shown in this picture. U.S. Office of Space Commerce tracks the traffic coordination system transitioned into operational phases in order to take over the civil space traffic management. Astroscale space debris removal system is shown in this picture. NASA, the agency's airspace operations and safety program, acts as an incubator for autonomous aviation and airspace integration technologies. NASA partners with FAA and commercial operators to apply the automated models to in-time airspace safety management. Clear space orbital debris removal is shown in this picture. Other major industry and international programs are European Union and member states. ESA's Space Safety Program utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning for automated collision risk assessment and autonomous trajectory planning. It manages Zooniverse and various accelerator programs to develop AI tools for debris monitoring. Dynamic space operation is illustrated in this picture. Portuguese Recovery and Resilience Plan provide funding for state-of-the-art AI applied to space operations. Startups such as Neurospace use this institutional backing to build machine learning-based models that predict risk mitigation in real-time flights. Spent rocket bodies and other space debris is shown in this picture. United Nations, the UN Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, reviews frameworks and conference room papers to standardize how obligations are interpreted in the era of artificial intelligence-assisted decision-making. Institutional initiatives are boosted by private-public partnerships and specialized platforms, such as International Space Talk platform. In the Orbit mission idea is shown in this picture. ESA SCREAM program, the European Space Agency runs the collision risk estimation and automated mitigation initiative, which uses machine learning to automate collision forecasting, eliminate false alerts, and optimize automated evasive maneuvers. Integrated end-of-life deorbit system is shown in this picture. NASA and Australian Space Agency utilize AI inventories to optimize complex autonomous spacecraft operations. Integrated end-of-life deorbit system is shown in this picture. Commercial and private sector breakthroughs are shown as follows. LeoLab tracks global low Earth orbit data using its global radar network and relies heavily on AI-driven automated processing to deliver real-time collision avoidance and risk assessment alerts. Neuraspace focuses explicitly on AI-powered orbital sustainability, developing automated machine learning solutions. A space debris slingshot is shown in this picture. LeoLab tracks global low Earth orbit data using its global network system. Artist's illustration of space junk orbiting Earth is shown in this picture. Other commercial and private sector breakthroughs are the Gantra, which build a space-based tracking infrastructure utilizing proprietary sensors coupled with space intelligence platforms to deliver real-time automated monitoring of satellites and debris. SpaceMap developed space-time AI system and Astro One platform, which perform real-time spatial temporal reasoning. Illustration of objects in orbit is shown in this picture. Other commercial and private sector breakthroughs are Planetary Systems AI, which integrates advanced machine learning classification models with global data networks in order to automate threat warnings and optimize multi-context data flows for satellite decision making. SpaceX, operating the largest mega constellation, SpaceX utilizes onboard AI on its satellites to automatically ingest tracking data and predict close approaches. Growing threat of space debris is shown in this picture. Privateer Space Wayfinder, the co-founder by Steve Wozniak, Privateer Space utilizes its proprietary AI engine to parse telemetry data from global sensor nodes, including US Space Command. Space debris in Earth orbit is shown in this picture. KN Space Pathfinder. KN Space provides cloud-native autonomous software deployed natively into satellite constellations. Trans-Astral Strapback, a new hunter for space debris, is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to AI-driven space traffic management initiatives and breakthroughs, collision avoidance automation, debris monitoring, and orbital pathway optimization by Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele, with the focus points: major industry and international programs driving space traffic management, and commercial and private sector breakthroughs. Thank you.